Hello, my name is Sahil Kumar, roll number 2201CA60, and in this video, I am demonstrating my implementation of the secure password storage system using Python. And this is the code for this. We start by implementing the necessary libraries. Like this is the split SQLite tree for our databases. It has library and HMSA for secure hashing and OS for generating random salt. And first, let's look at the databases setup in the initial databases function. I'm creating a table called users. This is the user.db, and notice strictly typed scheme here. I'm using blob field to store the raw binary data for the salt and password hash. This is crucial because we shouldn't store sensitive cryptographic data as plain string. I also have column for failed attempts and looked until, which we will use for our rate limiting failure feature later. Next is the user registration module. When a user sign up, I don't just hash their password directly. First, I generate a unique cryptographic strong random salt using the OSU random 32. Then I used the PBKDF2 algorithm with SHA-256. As you can see here, I'm using like 1 lakh iteration. This key staging makes the hashing process slow on purpose, rendering brute force and rainbow table attacks extremely difficult. Finally, we store user uniquely in the databases. Now the most important part is authentication. When a user tries to log in, we first check if their account is locked. If locked until is set and hasn't expired, we reject the login immediately and prevent attackers from spamming passwords. If the user is allowed to try, we retrieve their unique salt from the databases. We compute the hash using the exact same parameters, and like here is the here is a critical security detail referring line where I've used the HMSC compare digest. I'm not using the standard equal operation for the string comparison. HMSC compare digest run in the constant time, and meaning it's take the same amount of time regardless of how many characters matches. This compute neglects timing attacks. If the password is wrong, I implemented the rate limiting logic. We track failed attempts. If a user failed 5 times, we calculate a lookout time steps and save it to a databases, effectively locking them out for a set period. We also warn the user about how many attempts they have left. Finally, we have the interaction main loop. This provides a simple menu interaction where I can register, authenticate, and exit. Now let's see how it's working. Okay. For the this is the secure passport storage system for my name and roll number. And first I have to select one for the register user. Select one, and and the username is Sahil, and the password I'm taking like SAHIL @ like 123. Here it is saying that generating salt is this, and here it has applied a BKDF PB HMSC SH3 for this 1 lakh iteration, and the password has this much, and it has stored in the databases also. So the stored salt stored is 32 bits and has storage is also 32 bits, and iteration is 1 lakh. Now let's see the authentications. Authenticate the users. So we have to select the two, and username is Sahil, and first let's write a wrong password, and this is a wrong password. So it is saying that hash comparison is not match and fail attempt is 1. So we have 4 attempts remaining for a workout. Let's see. Let's again do authentication. Authenticate. Username is Sahil. Sorry, I have written the wrong username, so it will not give the correct output. So user not found, it is saying. So let's run again, and the password is again something different. Now it is saying that no hash comparison is not matched and the fail attempts is 2. Now we can say we can write a wrong password for 3 more times also, but let's again authenticate users also again, and the username is Sahil, and password is, let's write a correct password this time. Here it is saying that hash comparison is matched and logging successfully. Now we can register another users also, like put another user register. We have to write to select one, and like I can write a small letter from the small letter Sahil, and the password I can write anything. Here it is saying that registration successful, username is Sahil, and now I can exit from that. So we have to write a 3. Now it has exist, and this is all from the lab 4 video demonstration. Thank you. Sorry.